Building on over 40 years of metal detector development experience, Garrett have taken their ultra-sensitive Garrett Guides scanner with its all-new range of upgraded features to the next level. Detecting all ferrous, non-ferrous and stainless steel, the Garrett Guide will detect weapons and other metallic objects, including mobile phones, vapes, foil-wrapped drugs, jewellery and lots more, making it one of the leading detectors in its field. Weighing just half a kilogram, it has the perfect weight and balance and is easy to handle with its specially designed dimpled rubber grip. Its rugged construction meets US military standards for drop tests, and it's water-resistant to IP65 standards, making it suitable for use in all weathers. The internal rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers up to 125 hours operation from a full charge, which means you won't be throwing away ecologically damaging disposable batteries. LEDs in the base of the handle indicate how much charge you have left, while a red light flashing on the side of the unit indicates that the battery charging is in progress. The green indicator power light shows that the unit is switched on and is in detect mode. In use, the LED flashes when metal is detected, and the toggle switch allows you to set the detection alert to audio or vibro to suit your environment. The offset button can be activated where two or more units are being used close together and are causing interference. It can also be used in conjunction with the toggle switch to adjust the sensitivity level of the guide to any of the 7 levels. The handy rebar interference switch allows instant temporary sensitivity reduction when scanning a body at ankle level, where rebar embedded in the floor may otherwise give a false detection. The USB-A to USB-C charging cable is supplied with each guide, and extra or replacement cables are available separately. To enable the maximum charge in the minimum of time, 20-watt chargers are available which can charge an individual unit or up to 5 units concurrently via the interlocking charging cradles clipped together to form a convenient charging bank. A wrist strap is available as an optional extra to ensure you will always retain full control of your wand. And the Garrett Guide Checkpoint Kits are available for 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 wands, with the associated charger, interlocking bases, USB cables and wrist straps. The Garrett Guide sets a new standard for others to aspire to and come with a 3 years manufacturer's warranty. To buy yours or for more information, check out our website or call our friendly team. With new content added every 2 weeks, if you love our videos, leave us a comment, hit the like button and subscribe to the Insight channel.